You're using Venmo to pay your friend for pizza, split a dinner bill, or maybe buy something online. It's quick, it's convenient, but here's the harsh reality. If you send money to the wrong person, or a scammer tricks you, Venmo generally won't get that money back for you. Unlike a credit card, Venmo is designed for payments between people you know and trust. When money leaves your account, it's usually gone. But don't panic. Being aware of the top scams is your first and best defense. We're going to break down the most common traps and give you 3 rock-solid rules to protect yourself. First up, the classic accidental payment scam. A random person sends you money, say, $400, and immediately messages you saying, "Oops. Wrong person. Can you send it back?" The scammer actually used a stolen credit card to send you the money. If you send your own money back, the original card owner eventually reports the theft, Venmo reverses the first payment, and you're left having paid the scammer $400 of your own money. The key here is rule number 1, never send money back to a stranger. If it was a real mistake, Venmo support can reverse the original payment themselves. Contact them, don't interact with the sender. Next, watch out for phishing and impersonation scams. This is where you get a text or email, supposedly from Venmo, saying there's an issue with your account, or maybe you've won a cash prize, and they include a link. The link takes you to a fake login page designed to steal your password. Even worse, some scammers call you pretending to be Venmo support and ask for the security code sent to your phone. Remember rule number 2, Venmo will never ask you for your login credentials or your multi-factor authentication code over the phone, text, or email. Always log in through the official app, and never click links in unexpected messages. Finally, we have the marketplace scam. You sell something online, the buyer offers to pay through Venmo, and they might even send a payment, but it's often a fake confirmation email, or they use a stolen account that will be reversed later. They pressure you to ship the item immediately. This brings us to rule number 3, only use Venmo with people you know, or use the official goods and services setting for protection. If you're selling a big-ticket item to a stranger, cash is still king. Never ship anything until the funds are actually cleared and sitting in your balance, confirmed within the official app. To summarize, treat Venmo like cash. Don't send money to strangers. Enable your strongest security settings, that means a strong password and 2-factor authentication, and if something feels off, or too good to be true, it's a scam. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.